Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with HomeBudget detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using HomeBudget, first, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open HomeBudget and create a new account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your profile by entering your basic information. Next, define your currency preferences in the app settings. Begin by categorizing your income sources. Tap on the income section and input all recurring and non-recurring income streams. After entering income, move on to expenses. Access the expense section and start adding your fixed monthly costs, such as rent or mortgage payments. Include variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment, based on your average monthly spending. Next, set up budgeting categories. Assign each income and expense to relevant categories for better tracking. Now, specify your budget for each category. Input your planned spending limits based on your income and past expenses. Once your categories and limits are set, regularly update them as you spend. Record transactions as they occur to maintain an updated budget. Utilize the reporting features to visualize your spending over time. Check your budget status weekly to ensure you're on track. Adjust your spending limits if you find certain categories consistently exceed their budget. Remember to account for occasional expenses, like annual subscriptions or holiday shopping. Review your budget monthly to assess your financial health. Make necessary adjustments based on your spending habits. Finally, stay disciplined and committed to your budget for long-term financial success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.